Hello and welcome to an unboxing video of a mcneela 16-inch bodhran. Now, this is it. I must apologise for putting coverings over the barcodes of the thing, so you guys don't find my on this video don't find out where my address is. Other than that, it is as arrived. It's not bad. Less the packing company, obviously, the shipping company, obviously, squashed the corner, bless them. Underneath it, I can just about make out that that is a bodhran 16-inch by 4.5 mulberry wood. Nice. Back fragile something with a zipper bag and tipper. Brilliant. Nice. So now, a normal unboxing video, they would take it out and have a look at it and go, ooh, isn't that wonderful and everything. Because this being a musical instrument, we of course have to play it as part of the video. However, as you've probably seen from my previous videos of withdrawal symptoms of not having a bodhran, I've been practicing on cardboard boxes. Therefore, we're going to play the cardboard box that the bodhran arrived in, and of course do a comparative analysis of the sound quality of the box versus the bodhran. So for that, what we're going to start off with is to play the box with the bodhran still in it. So it's the same size as the bodhran, so is perfect to hold, like this, or on your knee, or whatever, everything. So hold on like this, whatever. But so we're going to start like this. Now, which way up do we want? So yeah, we can get a bass sound and we can get a higher tone. Can't put your hand on it inside it when it's like this to change the tone. This, by the way, is the tunable bodhran, right? Which I think I've never had one before. I've always had, the standard ones where you have to pour beer on them to change the tune. What I like about this box is that you can get that wattle wattle sound. Right, so but one thing I have noticed is that the beater does actually slip across the surface here. Unlike it did with the kids' trampoline, which was more like a bodhran. It's quite still. The kids' trampoline is quite sticky. This is very smooth, so it's kind of it's a little no thing. Anyway, that's not a bad sound. The only thing is, can't tell if it's because the bodhran is inside the box or whether it's because of the box itself. So anyway, let's have a look and see what we've got. Never done one of these unboxing videos before, so I'm really not supposed to. Really don't know how it's supposed to go. Other than the only one I've actually watched was James May, who unboxed an entire car, and of course he put had to wrap the team had to wrap the car first. It's very funny. Nice touch. Nice, guys. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. There we go. Oh, that's good. That's good that you guys put a wrapping of paper of bubble wrap around it. Nice. Okay, so we've got a beta. Oh, that's very light. I like that. Because this one we got somewhere online is quite heavy. Relatively speaking. Allen key for the for tuning in, and a nice single hole point in the middle there. This one we got online. I think has multiple things, so you can change the whole point. But I do like this, these style of ones. But that's quite light. That's good. Anyway, I promised to play the box first without the brown. Let's see what that's like. Yeah. Now, I can get my hand in it to change the sound. So you can get a quite good bass out of it, and yeah. So it is actually the box that's producing the nice bass sound, which is a nice touch. The only thing is, as you can see, just purely from the beta, bless it, have managed to put dents in it already. Bless it, kind of thing. So. Not bad, nice sound. Love the wattles. So let's have a look at the bodhran itself. Nice case. Ooh, that's a nice smell. That's a really nice smell. All right, so that's a bit tight, but that's okay. Let's have a look. Wow. It's the T-piece type. I've never played a T-piece type before. I've always done that. Played the cross ones. So it's a bit further away from what I'm used to. I wonder if I can move it in. Apparently it's supposed to be removable, this. Ah, yes it is. But, let's see what happens. Nice. Nice. Try the other one. That's really good. Hey, you can even get a bit of the but it's nothing like the wattles. We can fix that. I've discovered. Now let's see if. In a pinch, in a pinch, we can get the wow wows. That's got great bass. One thing I do is I tend to suppress the sound so that it's not completely way too loud during a session. And doing that, I can get the variety. I'm actually finding it difficult to get my. I usually hook on like that. And then get my and then do that. I'm having difficulty with that, and of course that means I'd have to. I wonder if that's screwed in there, and there's plenty of space that it could be, because you've got the inside piece inside here. So there's plenty of space which a new hole could be drilled, 3 holes could be drilled, and it could be moved in. Reluctant to do that to nice new bohran myself. I'll have to ask the guys at mcneela about their advice on that one. Okay, I love this. No, I really need that. I really need that. Let me see if I can do it that way. That's brilliant. No, I need the support. Yeah. Yeah. I definitely needed to be closer, because I'm used to being able to do. See if I can do it. And using the elbow to push and suppress the. Yeah. Guys, I love it. And it's got way more flexibility than a cardboard box, I tell you. For the options you can, for the things you can play. So there you have it. Bottom line is mcneela bohran wins hands down against the cardboard box that it came in. Thank you very much.